Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deploy Claude Code project on Vercel. Start by opening your project in Claude. Make sure your project is complete and ready to be exported. Once you are done, move your cursor to the top right corner of the project. You will see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu. From that menu, select the option that says Download File. This will save your project file, usually as an HTML file, onto your computer. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to GitHub. At the top right corner, click on the plus icon. From the drop-down menu, select a new repository. Give your repository a simple name, for example, Claude Code Project. After that, click Create Repository. Once your repository is created, look for the option that says Upload a Project. Click on it. Now drag and drop the HTML file that you downloaded earlier into this section. Here is a critical detail you must follow. Before you save or commit the file, make sure the file name is exactly index.html. If you leave it as something else like project.html, Vercel will still deploy your site, but it may show a 404 not found error because it cannot detect the main homepage file. After confirming the correct file name, wait for the upload to finish, then click on Save Changes or Commit Changes to store your file in the repository. Next, open another tab and go to Vercel. At the top right, click on New, then select Project. If you have not connected your GitHub account yet, go ahead and connect it. Once connected, you will see a list of your repositories. Find the repository you just created and click Import next to it. Review the settings if needed, then click Deploy. Wait for the process to complete. Your project will now be live. Thanks for watching.